normally, whenever you're seeing your list, it'll look something like this. One of the things that you can do now is add this notes column to the list. To do that, basically you just go into your layouts. So you click on the little hamburger, the three little bars. You go into layout. In layout, we're going to configure the layout in this case. And there's a new field in here called notes. Whenever you select notes from the list, and it may be down at the bottom of your list, I moved mine to the top. Check that notes option, and you'll be able to add this notes column. One thing that we added last week, and I don't know if I brought it up or not, is that we do have the find field now in here. So if you need to find something as far as one of the columns that you want to look, you can find it. You can check it from here. If you clear it, you'll see that it then adds it to the list somewhere down here at the bottom, and it'll be checked. There it is, checked. The selected to the top, if you click that button, it moves everything that is selected to the top so that you can keep them together, and then you can rearrange them if you need to put them in whatever order you want. I'm going to take that mailing name one off right now and go selected at the top. So, but by selecting that notes field, by checking that, clicking on OK, it will add this column. Now, the advantage here is as you're going through and you're looking at certain names, you can now click on that notes field and it will bring up whatever notes is on that particular contact. So notes for William. We can then go in there, we can add notes, we can delete notes, we can edit the notes or whatever, pin them to the top. But this is a much quicker way of just seeing notes on different people without having to go in, come out, go in, go out, or whatever. If you just want to look, through a list of names real quick to see what notes there are, or add notes. How's that for everybody?